So now we are looking at a property which is located in Kodambakkam. So our mark location is 500 meter away from here. So if we go this side, it will be on the right. So it is exactly 500 meter away from here, and moreover we need property on this side, and it is also on the same side. So it is a first floor property. It is 715 square feet of carpet area we have. So it is a G plus 2 building. At the ground floor there is Lakshmi Enterprises screen supply, that is ink and UV paint supplier. So at the left side we have a residence, and at the right side also we have a residence. But so next to that residence we have a commercial only, the agencies, that is the cement and brick supplier. So the same only at the left side also. So we have a commercial only. So we have a brick and cement suppliers here, and in between we have a residence, and at the opposite side we have a SBI State Bank of India bank, and next to it we have a chicken vendor and a sound service system. So here we have a commercial space only, that is a residential commercial space only, but our surrounding peoples were commercial peoples only. So the entry is on the left side. So if we go to the staircase, we can enter from this side. So we can plan our exhaust on this side, and fresh air we can plan this side. So we have a space in between. So here we can't able to see clearly. I will show you while going to terrace. So we can utilize this space for fresh air, and this side for exhaust, that is this frontage part. So the left side we can't able to do anything because it is wall to wall constructed, that is we can see. So this is the here we have some space, but at the back side it is constructed wall to wall. So we have parking, we have to utilize this space only. So these are all the parking space, that is on the night time we have to leave our vehicles here, and we have to utilize this parking space only. We don't have any covered park fixing, but here the problem will not be there because the bank is opposite, and no one will be taking anything. And we have a drainage connection here, so we can see. So it is a drainage connection, and underground sump is inside this property. The owner have done this by using Vastu, and we have motor on this side. So as of now we don't know the capacity of the sump, but we have a sump here. So both metro and bore water is available, so we don't have any water scarcity here as of now, so that will not be a problem. So from the parking we have 1 2 3 4 5 to the 5 steps to the staircase. So only one concern is, so we don't have much space for gas bank. So we can see this is the space which we have. So we have to fabricate a gas bank this side, because here this space has been used by that enterprises, Lakshmi Enterprises. So we have to utilize this space. So we have 3 feet of width and we have around 10 feet of length. So we can utilize this space, and the height is around 6 feet from there. So for the staircase we can calculate, there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 steps to the first floor. So it is a newly constructed building. So for asset movement we can plan on this side, so it won't be a problem. We can move asset from this side. So this is the entry. So that's it. We can plan the exhaust this side. So this side we can plan our exhaust. We don't have any issues for exhaust purpose. So this space, so this side we can use the exhaust on this side, and we can plan the fresh air on this side, because this side we have more than 5 feet of distance at the back side, and at the back side we have a ground floor residence people. It is a sheet building, so the owner have made a ventilation, and the owner has 1 feet of space at the back side. He have made some compound wall. So next to this property So we have 1 feet of ventilation. If in the future any residence comes, means we have 1 feet of residence, and the fresh air will be coming from this side. And we have a restroom on this side. So the total carpet area here is 715 square feet. So from here, this wall to this wall, so up to this wall we have 14 feet of width, and from the length, so we can see, so the difference, there is a L cut from there. So from there, that line to here, we have 16.3 feet of length. That is 228 square feet of carpet area we have here exactly. And so from here, so from this line to that end, we have around 22.7 feet of length from there to here, and from here to there we have around 21.5. Why it is? Because so I have concluded included this restroom also, because we have a square shape here in this side. So here this side we have 487 square feet of carpet area. So totally we have 716 square feet. So I will round off into 7.5. So we have very good ceiling height. That is, we have 9 feet of ceiling height below this beam, and we can see that 1.5 feet has been, the beam has been extended below. So the overall height will be 10.5 from the ceiling to the flooring. So we have tiles flooring. So here we have 1 feet of ceiling beam below the beam ceiling. So this is the overall view on the carpet area inside the property. So now we can go to the terrace. So on the terrace we have a overhead tank. Other than this, it's open terrace only. So we have second floor also vacant till now. So if we can utilize this space for gas vent, but it is on third floor. So this is the open terrace. So as I said, so at the front edge it is road, and on this side we can utilize this space for fresh air. So we don't have any problem for fresh air purpose, so we can take from this side. And the next building is very close neighbor to owner only, so we don't have any issues to take fresh air from this side, this building, because we have around 6 feet of width when we compare to this building. So we don't have any problem. And the same at the back side also, we have a residence at the ground floor. So it is sheet building. So even if it gets constructed, so we will be having 1 feet of that compound wall. 1 feet has been extended from our end. So they will be constructing that above the 1 feet only. So we don't have any problem, the owner said. So at the back side we can see. So there is 1 feet of distance. So, and the owner also given a ventilation here. So we can see. So here, so the staircase, and in between this, the restroom, we have a small space, that is 2 cross 6 of space we have here. So here we also have a chamber, and a whole tank of 2000 liters of capacity we have. We have a cement tank here. So here we don't have any problem for operations, because we have all feasible things. We have metro and road. So please watch the video and share the feedback. So here it is the parking space which we can use. So behind the tree, and here all of this. Please watch the video and share the feedback.